Okay guys, in this video I want to talk about pixels. So this has kind of cropped up in my mind as I've been going through this, and I've first like to say, if you're already confused about pixels or the way they work with T-Rex, with global settings and stuff like that, then just forget this video and move on. Okay, this is a slightly more advanced thing. You're kind of breaking the rules a bit about what we're doing, and you've got to think on your toes as you do the campaign. So if you're tech savvy and you're up with your pixels and stuff, then you can watch this video and you can make up your own decision whether you want to do it this way or not. Okay, but it's something that I wanted to put in here and make you aware of. So first off, if we come to T-REXecom and come to funnels and look at the funnel structure, and we look at how our pixels are usually set up. Okay, so most people have got their pixels in the business settings, which means they're active on all campaigns in the same places. So we've got the page view or the retargeting pixel, which would fire on this front page here. So when the when the end user lands on the campaign, the page view fires. We then got our add to cart pixel, which will fire at this point. So the way things are set up is then we've then got our conversion pixel, and the conversion pixel, T-Rex places it on the thank you page because they're supposed to do their purchase and then they hit the thank you page and the conversion pixel fires and we know we made a sale. So what happens if a customer comes here, they make the purchase, they see this upsell and they think screw this, I'm out of here, and they just exit out? Then we haven't got our fire from our conversion. Nothing's happened. Nobody knows that we made the sale, or Facebook doesn't know we made the sale. So what I'm going to show you basically in a nutshell is we're going to remove the conversion pixel from our business settings, and we're going to put that conversion pixel in the retargeting field here on our very first upsell of our funnel. So they're going to go page view, add to cart pixel is going to fire, then our conversion pixel is going to fire as soon as they hit this page, whether they decide to buy, exit, upsell, downsell, whatever. We've made that sale from the front end and we want the conversion pixel to fire. We don't want to risk losing those fires on the conversion pixel. So let me just go ahead and open up my business settings there, and let's open up the funnel campaigns. So it's the Die Hard Fan Youth Tee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my conversion pixel here. Yep. Get my conversion pixel. Remove it from the business settings. Then I'm going to come across to the Youth Tee. I'm going to edit the campaign settings on my very first upsell. So under page styling towards the bottom, we're going to put the conversion pixel in the retargeting field. Okay, important. The conversion pixel in the retargeting field. Okay, we're going to click update on there, and then we're going to come back and we're going to click update on our business settings. So a couple of things to be aware of. If you've already got ads running to different campaigns and stuff, and you go and remove this conversion pixel, then you're going to screw up what you've already got going. So if you're moving forward with these funnels and they're going to be your next ads, then great, you can do it this way. Also be aware of always keep in your mind when you're cloning these campaigns. Now if we went and cloned this Youth Tee one and we use this as our front end product, then our conversion pixel is going to be way off because we're going to get fires when people just land on the page. So bear in mind when you start duplicating these, if you do it this way, then you're going to have to keep your eye on the ball and keep checking those fields in the campaign settings, because you could easily make a mistake there. Okay, so there's pros and cons to doing it this way. If you know your game, then it should be pretty straightforward enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the funnels, which is here, and I'm going to do a quick test purchase so you can see how this is actually working. So here we're on the front end campaign. Pixel help is telling us that the page view is firing. That's great, that's perfect, that's just what we want. So let's go ahead and chuck this in the cart. So here we are on the cart page, and now we check, we've got our add to cart firing. Okay, great, that's perfect. So let's quickly complete the purchase, or as quickly as we can. Okay, let's make the purchase. Complete the purchase. So now we're going to land on a campaign, which is our very first upsell campaign, and providing everything's going great, we now have our purchase pixel. So we're now going to get a conversion for that. So our conversions are going to be spot on the nail, and we're going to be able to calculate things much more precisely when we start looking at our stats and stuff like that. Okay guys, so that's like a little advanced technique there. Possibly, maybe we might get something added into T-Rex so we can do this properly and officially, and you don't have to do any kind of workarounds. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now guys.